Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Forza Horizon 5 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language inside of your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Forza Horizon 5 game on your device, and you may directly press the X button to go into accessibility/settings from the main menu. If you have already started playing, you can pause your game, go into the campaign menu, and then navigate to settings as well. Now, once you enter the settings menu, you will need to navigate all the way towards the end, where you can find the language select option. This is also the second to last option, or the second option if you're counting from the bottom. Once you go into language select, you can find the various different languages that are available for your game. Simply scroll over to your desired language, and once you find it, you can press the select button to choose this as your in-game language. After you choose, you will be asked whether you would like to confirm and select this language. Choose the yes option, and now this will apply your chosen language to your game right away. You can now continue to play your game with your chosen in-game language. And if you wish to change this at any time in the future, just follow the same steps. Pause your game, and from the campaign menu go into settings, and then choose the second to last option, from which you can switch your language once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the Forza Horizon 5 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.